What many people would consider just to be trash, we can make candied citrus peel, which is a great snack, can be great for garnishing. We can use it in other recipes as well. Our first task is to remove the peel from the actual fruit, trying to scrape off as much of the actual fruit content as possible, just having the rind and the pith, the white part. After this, we're going to slice it into long strips. Now add enough cold water to the rind to just about cover it and bring it up to a simmer. We want to start boiling away some of the bitter flavors and the tannic flavors that we get from the rind and especially from the pith. Once it's boiled for 5 minutes, we're going to strain off the liquid, we're going to add more cold water, and we're going to bring it back up to a simmer again. We'll run through this 3 times. This is what's going to help us to get rid of those bitter flavors that we want to get rid of. Once we have blanched and drained all of our lemon and orange peel 3 times for 5 minutes each time, now it's time to start the candy process. It's very simple. We add in our sugar and our water, and we're going to bring this up to a simmer, and we're going to allow this to boil until it reduces down the water content to create a syrup around our fruit. Once that syrup has reduced almost all the way down, but before it starts to go brown, we're going to now pull those pieces of orange and lemon rind. We're going to drop them directly into crystalline sugar and just turn them over into there so that it coats them evenly. To store it long term, keep it doused in crystalline sugar and in an airtight container to not allow any moisture to start affecting it from the atmosphere. This can now be enjoyed as a snack or a gelatin-free candy. It can also be added as an ingredient going into things like mince pies, a great tradition over in Britain. Lots of full flavors and perfect for the winter cold season.